Hi, I'm Lenna.
And hi, I'm Yumi.
And welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second-ish look at what happened this past week at SJII. Start the clock. Monday, the week started with joyfulness as families at home took the time to enjoy each other's company. The virtue of this week, trustworthiness.
Tuesday, plenty of enthusiasm was shared with our siblings, particularly when it came to some of the more memorable moments of our day.
Wednesday, parents and teachers continued with parent-teacher conferences, sharing the many achievements of their students this term.
Thursday, we took some time out for relaxation, showing peacefulness while unwinding with some reading time with those at home.
Friday ended another week full of exciting learning, with unity being shown as board games were rolled out and played by the whole family.
On behalf of Jess, Zara, Chloe, Sophie G, Sakurako, Sophie L, and Andrew,
I'm Lenna.
and I'm Yumi, and we'll see you again next week.